Good afternoon. I'm your presenter today, and I'll be speaking on behalf of all the birds of the world for their betterment. So, without further ado, let's save the birds. I find birds fascinating. The way from the moment they're born, or hatched, they're ready to go and explore the world. It's inspiring. I know I've never been one to take such a risk like that, and I'm sure you can relate as well. But once the birds do leave, they have this innate urge to go out, find a place, start a family, overall just support the natural order of preying, reproducing, and eventually being consumed by a predator or the earth. It's a crucial role in maintaining a stable environment, but these birds are in trouble, and we are the cause of that. Okay, they're in trouble, and the biggest threat, okay, that must be a glitch, but the biggest threat is deforestation, which chopping down trees imbalances the ecosystem. It makes these birds have to leave their home, and when that happens, their prey gets to be too large and overeats its prey, and then that prey, there isn't enough, and then that prey's prey gets too much, and then it just trails all the way down the chain. So the birds, when they leave, they might not find a stable environment, and even if they do, they're going to be the ones disrupting the ecosystem because it wasn't built or grown to support them. I'm not sure why that's happening. That's okay. But so they're unsupported. Now, why does that matter? So it matters because these birds. Oh, okay. That's really okay. Try to just, I guess, ignore that. I'm not sure why that's there. But back to why does it matter? So it matters because these birds are dying. We are actively destroying these environments, these intricately woven relationships, and without these birds, there's nothing. And no one seems to realize, no one seems to care that this problem is all around them. It's right in front of them, and there's no purpose with it. But that's why I'm here. I am here to tell you that these birds need our help. Now, some of these birds need a little more help. They're more endangered, and that would include the Indian vulture, which okay, I don't know why it's decapitated. But the Indian vulture, okay, there's like 30,000 of them left, which is really low. Let's just move to the next one. The northern, okay, this is weird. The northern bald ibis. Okay, let's just skip past all of these. I'm not sure why this is happening like this, but please just okay, why is it like that? Just stop. Just stop doing this. Just stop being like this. Just stop. Stop. Just, okay. Who cares? Who cares about all this? I care. Okay? I care, and that's why I'm here, because these birds are in trouble and they need our help. And without me here, no one's there to listen, and no one's helping. So that's why I'm here. That's why I'm here, because no one cares. And if no one cares, then why am I here? Then what am I doing here?